In this video, we're going to show you how to install the headrest on your MagSHOCK. The headrest comes fully assembled, so the first thing you'll want to do is loosen up the center bolt and remove the headrest piece itself. Next, we're going to remove one end of the headrest. Undo the bolt, slide out the U-shaped piece. You're going to notice a little C-clamp on there. That comes already attached on your headrest, but you're going to loosen that up just enough to slide it off of this end U-shaped bar piece. You're going to take that C-clamp and you're going to attach it to the backrest frame of your MagSHOCK. You're going to want to slide it all the way up so it hits the top support beam of the backrest. Make sure that the bolts are facing out so you can tighten it up. Don't tighten it up all the way, because you're going to then slide in the U-shaped bar piece in the round hole of that C-clamp. Now, once those are together, you're going to tighten it all the way. Now it's time to do the other side of the chair. Remove the C-clamp from the other side of the headrest, and you're going to install it just like you did the previous side. Clamp it on to the oval frame piece of the backrest, and you're going to slide it up so that it rests against that top support bar of the backrest cushion. Now it's time to take the U-bar and the crossbar. First thing you're going to do is you're going to slide the crossbar into the other U-shaped bar on the other side of the chair. Then take the right side U-shaped bar, put it into the hole of the C-clamp, and tighten it down. Once you tighten it, the headrest will not be able to move on your MagSHOCK chair. So you're going to tighten this completely until it's snug. Now, loosen up the two bolts on either end of the crossbar, and you can center that in between the U-shaped bars. You can also put it to one side or the other depending on your needs. But this is another adjustment point of the headrest itself. The last step is to slide in the padded headrest piece itself into the middle bracket on the support brace. Start at the bottom to tighten up each lever. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If you ever need to reposition those levers because they bump into each other or the chair, just simply pull the lever out, reposition it, push it back in, and tighten it. So you'll pull it out, reposition, and then it's like a ratchet system. You will tighten to put the headrest in the exact angles and dimensions that you want. Now make sure all the bolts are tight, all the levers are tight, so your headrest is secured to your MagSHOCK. That's it. I want it all.